Hi there, I'm Craig. Thanks for joining me here on Start and Grow. I finally migrated one of my websites over to the new ClickFunnels 2.0 platform, and today I want to show you, what I've done and just the progress I've made, and just give you a kind of overview again of this new kind of platform that ClickFunnels just launched just a few short months ago. So jumping right in, here's the website I built, and I'm launching this. This is where I send most of my traffic to right now. Just very simple, web page. You can see a quick hero. This was pretty easy to build. I migrated most of my content from other websites over, and just built out using the theme they had and then changing to the colors that I want. Very simple to add sections like this and different columns and things like that. I'll show you that in a little bit. And then, I started moving over and trying out the blog here on ClickFunnels 2.0. So this I call as my free growth guides, where I have blog posts like this one, for example. We can check it out and see this is the blog page. So again, I built out a blog template in here, again, using the standard kind of template that it comes with. Here I got a pop-up, again, trying to grow my subscriber list using these. I find them very helpful. I know it's a bit of interruption, but it really helps increase subscribers, especially if they're already finding value in the content you're providing. So again, the blog was pretty good. You can do what you can do on any blog. Got lots of images. Took a bit to get over. I'll show you some of the editing pieces in the back of this. But again, typical blog. Again, footer, and you can add other sections. Like I added more growth guides. I added a call to action to subscribe to my newsletter. Again, very simple blog. So I'm testing that out. Really interested to see how that works over the long term, and obviously a footer. So again, not a very complex website. I've also got some funnels, so we can jump into that as well. I'll show you this first. This is just a simple opt-in funnel. Again, simple page. All it is about just capturing that funnel. I can show you real quick. I've got the subscribe page or the opt-in page, as you see here, and then you go into just a thank you page. Again, they're subscribed, and then I, brought in my blog posts. So I, keep their attention of my visitors and, move them on to some useful content that you'll find in my growth guides. So again, that's kind of the core site. I built an About Us page fairly quickly as well to tell my origin story. Again, you can check this out, link in below, that'll take you to this website. You can have a look for yourself and see what it looks like. Again, I didn't do a lot of design work because I'm not really a designer. I really just started adding content to the theme, and I changed the colors to match, my brand. Tell story in here, add images. Again, some cool subscribe call to actions. Again, adding my growth guides so that I'm always trying to encourage people to check out my content and go further in there. I'm going to be building a course on here. My current coaching funnel actually goes to ClickFunnels 1.0, where I've got my coaching application here. I use a survey and things like that. So this is my other funnel. I'm still going to migrate this over, just waiting on ClickFunnels to build out the survey function. I don't think they're doing this. So I really like this. This helps with my onboarding of clients for coaching, so I can really understand what they're up to. So that's kind of the core of the web page migration. I'm slowly moving my blog over. Again, we didn't look at the blog homepage. So here's the blog homepage. Very simple, kind of all my posts. I've got lots more to move over from my old platform. And again, just trying to get people to subscribe and follow me on in my email newsletter. So going back to this, we'll look at the back end now. So this is the dashboard in ClickFunnels. This is where you kind of land when you log in. So we're going to go to Sites and Funnels, and I'll show you where I started building this out. And so there's a whole bunch of themes you can choose from. As you can see here, you can switch over. If I go back, I think I took the general Funnel Hub theme. This one here is the one I used. And you can preview these and check it out. Actually, this takes me to where I have. So this is what I actually used. So this is the one I modified. So I took that one, I customized it, and this is the one you see.